Hi guys, we're going to discuss about three words in MAPE. And those words are music, sport, and exercise. But first, we have to learn what is music. Music is a sound that are sung by voices or played on a musical instrument. Music has the power to make us smile and bring us to all types of tears. It can carry out back in time and inspire us to dance in the moment. For all our happiest days, there is music. Do you want to hear my voice as an example? Okay, I know that you don't have a choice. This song is Your Love by Eric Santos. Oh, love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Love is like a river that flows down to my vein. I feel the chill inside. Okay guys, I'm sorry about my voice, but now we have to focus about the second word, and that word is sport. Sports is an activity involving physical exertion and skills in which an individual or team competes against another and other for entertainment. We have many kinds of sports, like, and here are some examples of sport: basketball, volleyball, football, tennis, golf, and athletics, and more. And now we're going to discuss about the last word, and that word is exercise. It is a physical activity that is done in order to become stronger and healthier. The purpose of this exercise is to place your work in the context of other projects involved in supplying germplasm. This allows our evaluation of current practice and the ability to devise more efficient and effective action. We have many kinds of exercise like squat, pull up, push up, curl up, jogging, and more. But some people are used to go to gym or join a yoga class. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and I hope this video helped you from your question. Please like and share and just click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.